Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a walk through a super exciting hall at the Canton Fair, Hall 13.1, which is dedicated entirely to sporting goods. The Canton Fair, also known as the China Import and Export Fair, is a massive trade fair held twice a year in Guangzhou, China. It's one of the biggest trade fairs in the world, and it's a great place to see all the latest and greatest products from Chinese manufacturers. Alright, folks, as we enter Hall 13.1, we're immediately greeted by a sea of roller skates, from classic style to the newest skates with PU wheels and ice skating shoes. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just getting started, you'll find all the skates and protective gear you need here. And look at these. These colorful footballs are perfect for introducing kids to the beautiful game. They're lightweight, eye-catching, and sure to spark some joy on the field. Speaking of safety, check out these cycling and skating helmets. They come in all sorts of fun colors and designs, so you can stay safe while looking good. Whoa, these surfboards and kayak boards look incredible. They're sleek, sturdy, and ready to catch some waves or explore the serene waters. For all the camping enthusiasts out there, this section is a goldmine. You'll find tents of all sizes, sleeping bags, mats, and all the accessories you need for your next outdoor adventure. And look over here. We've got yoga mats and a whole range of colorful weights and dumbbells designed specifically for women. It's fantastic to see companies catering to the growing fitness needs of women. Now, this next one is a crowd pleaser. Ping pong tables. Who doesn't love a good game of table tennis? These tables are sturdy and perfect for setting up some friendly competition. Finally, we have trampolines. These bouncy beauties are guaranteed to bring fun for all ages. That's it for our walk through Hall 13.1 at the Canton Fair. We've seen some amazing sporting goods, from classic favorites to innovative new products. If you're looking for anything to get you moving and having fun, this hall is definitely worth checking out. We can help you to buy these goods and ship to your doorsteps. Our contact email is given in the description. Thanks for joining me on this virtual tour. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting content from the Canton Fair. Until next time, stay active and have a blast.